Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Minecraft Story Mode on Netflix. Open Netflix on your device and sign in, then search for Minecraft Story Mode in the app. Make sure your app is updated and your device supports interactive titles. Know that interactive episodes use remote or touch controls to choose actions. I will walk you through navigating menus, making choices, and replaying episodes to see different endings in a friendly, clear way. Start by updating the Netflix app and checking device compatibility to ensure interactive episodes work smoothly. Restart the device after the update and sign back into your Netflix account. Verify that your remote, controller, or touchscreen responds quickly and enable any required interactive settings in the app. If you plan to use a TV, confirm the HDMI and internet connections are stable. These steps reduce interruptions and keep choices responsive during gameplay. Find Minecraft Story Mode in Netflix search or the interactive section, then choose an episode to start playing. Pay attention to on-screen cues that prompt you to pick actions, and use your remote or touchscreen to select choices before timers expire. Choices change dialogue, outcomes, and sometimes puzzle results, so experiment with different options. If you want to see alternate paths, simply replay the episode and try new decisions to uncover more storylines and endings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.